In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert Word to PDF using Nitro PDF. Now, that's actually very simple. You want to go to the top here and click on Home, and then from here, you want to simply click on where it says PDF, click on it, and click on From File. You want to go to Add Files and select your Word file you would like to convert into a PDF. So I'm going to select this one here. I'm going to click on Open, and then as you can see, this is now the file, and I can go ahead and just click Create over here. And when you do that, it's going to prompt you to actually save this somewhere. So I'm just going to rename this one, and I'm going to name it Converted from Word. There we go. And I'm going to click on Save. And there we go. It's now going to create this. It's basically saving. It's pulling data. This is going to usually take a few seconds, depending on how big the file is. And there we go. It's going to open up your PDF, convert it to Word, and it's been converted from Word into a PDF. So that's how to achieve this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.